come tell this world, bro. Come tell them. Be like, yo, why don't y'all just chill like me? You know what I mean? Like, I'm not even gonna move yo ass, bro. I love animals. Yo, I wonder if she's laying eggs or something. I don't know. I don't know. Somebody tell me what this turtle's doing. I would normally pick this thing up and whatever. It's actually not in a cool place to chill. This is where like lawnmowers come and stuff. I don't know. Just tell everybody what's up, turtle. I think she's laying eggs. Yo, if this turtle's really laying eggs, then I'm gonna come back and be its like protector or something and check this out. This is in like an area where like the grass gets cut. If she's about to lay eggs and I'm gonna watch over them. My little turtle, I will see you later maybe. Or your offspring, let's hope. Here it is, I think. I don't know. Probably is. I hope the turtles come out safe. It's been a few days. Also, here's another one. Not too far away from this one. So, a couple of them.